Hi, Tony Singh here, and I want to talk to you about one of my passions, which is game. And British game is the finest in the world. And we've come up with a booklet, street food game from the Taste of Game site. It is an eye-opener. If you're not into game, give it a try. It shows you it lends itself to amazing techniques and spices from around the world. Things that you normally never think of. Raojimo is a Chinese burger made with venison. It's my favourite recipe in the booklet. But game, first and foremost, it is tasty. That's why I love it. It's good for you. It's free range. The fat, it's very lean. The fat on it is good fat. Omega-3 is high in that. It's great for the environment. It's good for the rural community and the rural economy to keep the great British countryside beautiful as it is. So please pick up a leaflet, get in touch with Taste of Game, or get it from your local supplier. If you've not tried game, don't be put off by it. It's not scary, it's not fur and feather, it's all dressed well now. You can pick up from your local butcher or supermarkets carry it as well. But please pick up a leaflet, go online, ask them for it, and give it a try. You'll be so surprised. Game is so versatile and so tasty. So please pick up a leaflet and give it a try.